Hello and welcome to the Elevator Museum. And today, Libur is coming to finish. So yes, Libur and back to the ride. And almost ready, guys. So let's find the elevator here. I was a missing park in Las Vegas, Nevada. So here we go. Alright, welcome to the Elevator Museum. And today, look, here was a machine in Las Vegas, but look, Libur is coming to end. Yes, we got some resolution. Hey, see, look, Libur is coming to end. Back to the schools. Yes, yeehaw! Congratulations! Yeah, finally, I can read this. So we're gonna ride the elevator. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Wow, it's big elevator, guys. Alright, let's go. So Tysenkrupp. Alright, here we go. Oh wow, musical elevators. Justin Gamer Libur coming in today. Back to wait. Alright, here mine as well. So you're scenic elevators. So here we go. It's time for musical elevators. Here we go. This one's kind of go slowly because I go like this. This is fast. Oh, we stopped it. Here's the red lobby. So it goes automatically. Here we go again. See? Mom is in L and Libur's faders at last. Yay! Finally, guys. Alright. Here for your lobby. Because if you go away, why do you know what's in this next? This camera decided to do those schools. Just a casual. Very nice elevators. Wow. Alright, you're 0. Okay, so it's a place. Well, I can read this. But to close in any second. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's supposed to go down. Alright, there it goes. And that's it, the school's starting. Here we go. Okay, so what was said and Libur starting? Well, actually, Libur is at. Bye. Okay, school's starting now.